Oh, morning, boys. Oh, look at the chooch. Chooch no good. Oh, look at this guy. He's trying to get me.
You trying to get me any tickles on your belly?
Okay, we'll go the other way then. Holy, what's happening here, dude? The freaking tennis coming off. Holy shit. I just got the air conditioner re-chooched in my rig yesterday, so I just grabbed my batteries here. Yeah, re-chooched the air conditioner, so I'll be able to drive this bastard, but I'll have to tighten up. I'll have to remind me, don't let me drive off with my tin all dick like that. Yeah, I'll show you the load we got. Just a couple batteries, no big deal. 4 pallets, two deep. Don't want to get her too heavy, you know what I mean? Be surprised how much a pallet of what's it weighs, but we're fighting the chooch today, boys. If anything spectacular happens, I'll get a hold of you. See how these dicks here used to go to the chuck wagon and talk shit about plug 1. And now they're right next door. Isn't that convenient? 7.3's having to breathe in extra hydrocarbons from one of the more powers. More power. What? Look at this. I mean, it probably doesn't show up in the camera, but you got 100 feet and then it's just solid wall. You can't even see past it. Those are some particulates, boys. A few particulates. In other words, we'll notify you when we get there. Holy shit. You like actually can't see. So that's good. Holy shit. See that? A transport truck just came out of nowhere. Oh my god, look at that. There's that. Oh, they got a tire drop off. I should have brought tires with me. Idiot! Just running darts. Nice. Look at all the wire. Oh, look.
How you doing, man?
Not too bad. What are you saying?
Got a GoPro out and everything.
Oh, fuck yeah. This is my good battery load, this one.
That's crazy. Not the best of them.
Yeah, you gotta be the best because this is a good trailer.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the best guy. Best guy in the forklift because you can pick up the trailer.
That's awesome.
Push straight up on it, bent the shit of it, so only go up a couple inches, sideways. Yeah, no doubt.
What's the tattoo on your leg, eh?
Fuck. Pallets too?
might have to.
You want them back or you
Oh,
want
I
them?
don't care. You're gonna pay me for them, sure.
You know how much they weigh?
Nope.
I'm gonna go get my X-ray done first. I'll be right back.
Right on. Uh-oh, can you go thinner in? More tight?
Don't go further in.
Yeah, like closer, the forks need to be closer together.
No, these forks don't go closer together.
Oh no. Really? Here, hold on.
Uh,
Hold on. Okay, try that. Come this way a little, down. Oh, yeah, right there. Careful. No. I'll see if I can't push it. Here, go. Yep.
Here, brother.
Yeah, right on. Appreciate it.
I want to be here. You know, take that skin. It's the same skin like those. Take that skin, go inside and wait and see how much it is.
Okay.
Now it's the same skin like those, right?
All right. You think the orange one would be good or not?
Yeah, that one will be good. It's the same skin with the poor down.
You should just grab me 4 empty skids and I'll throw them on the trailer. You got
Oh,
4?
yeah, I can do that too, eh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got tons
I
of
can
them. We
do
should
that for
Maybe a water now. Classy fellows down here, Zubik. Okay. Oh, back up. Down. Okay, here. Okay, try that. She's a little couple up. Oh, yeah, there we go.
I hope I didn't bend your trailer.
Oh, just marked it a little bit. Just bent that up a little bit.
Sorry about that.
Expensive.
I know,
Oh my
buddy. I
God.
know. I just got buy a couple of the things there, the steel things, and they were $700. Just
Oh, I know.
three little things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You know, we sell stairs, they have steel on there. Like all those two. They sell them like $40 a foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Girl still here?
Oh yeah.
Hey, whoa.
Oh man. That skin on the bottom is no good. They will still get poor from skin back.
okay.
Let's go for it. Let's get them back. Get the poor good one.
Oh, just give him shit for giving him faulty. Holy shit, boys. He said copper's fucking $8 a pound. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm rich. I'm freaking rich, boys. Okay, they don't have a digitometer at the scale, so I'll have to just take their words for it. I'll have to just take their words for it, but let's see what we got. Okay, so we were, hey, whoa, simmer down, dude. So we were 7,020 pounds. I guesstimated we were 8,035 cents a pound, $2,457. Holy boys. Holy, okay, we go. Oh, it's a gurgle bus. Freaking tanker 15, boys. Whoa. They should really do something about the roads around here. Like, holy shit, man. Unbelievable. Look at this piece of shit. Oh, look at me go. Oh, look at this unit. Bear Creek Sports and Entertainment. So they must be really setting up the friggin' the parquet over here by the looks of it. Friggin' building a truck like that for their sports complex. Holy shit. You know what I mean? Oh, they got the highway shut down, so we gotta friggin' drive right through the middle of town. Town. Drove by 2 cops as soon as we got into St. Thomas, so that's cool. That's what I like to see. It's always a relief coming around that corner. You ever had a Mullen cigarette, you guys? Never, me neither. Never had one. 20,900. Well, that's not good. Where's all our weight, boys? 20,920. Oh, boys. 8 minutes after she opens, boys. Hey? 8 minutes after she friggin' opens. Nice. This one didn't crush very well. Should have crushed the other one, but I like to put them flat tire ones on the bottom, you know. Oh, there, first one of the day, and he's got a fight with it. Sure he's happy about that, eh? Them old Chevys. Them old Chevys are still there. Holy cow. Break down a little bit, a little suffering. 14,120. Okay, next stop, 27 minutes. Well, there's like a truck up here that's just been dropping fucking sheets of drywall and stuff on the road, so that's cool. It's turning right up here, so maybe we'll be able to get the shot. Oh yeah, looks like a garbage truck of some sort. Big dumpster bin truck. They're flicking drywalls all over the fucking road. Score! sponcers.